Hey guys, welcome back to another video with a new unboxing from different company this time. The name of the company is Hansshow. They are making all kinds of accessories for Teslas and other EVs, so I will highly recommend to go and check it out. Maybe you'll find something for your vehicle. Let me show you how their website looks like, and I will put the link in description and also the link for the product that we are unboxing it today, and you can go and check it out. The website is hansshow.com, and if you go and find any product that you like, you just click on the product, add it to your cart. On the checkout page, you type PINKU in the promo code section, hit apply, and you will get 20% off on all products from this website. So please go and check it out. It will help my channel, and let's get into unboxing and set up the new product. Okay, let's talk about this. Tesla, I think you could do this better. Like, it's kind of painful to fold this all the time. So what are we gonna do today is get rid of this, because we have something better. We have here a new product. It's a retractable privacy cover for your trunk. So let's see how to install it. It looks like this, and you just retract it. First of all, what we need to do is have 4 pieces of plastic that we need to stick on each side. I'll quickly do that and I'll show you how that looks. First thing we need to do is to remove this tape here. It's a double-sided tape. And what we need to pay attention is to align the bottom part with this, and then we need to put it on behind this rubber. So just make sure it's aligned, push it, and that should be it. Same thing on the other side. Okay, same thing here. We have this piece of plastic which goes here. Just gonna quickly remove the tape, align this perfectly, push it a little bit, and it should stick. One more here. So same thing, align it, press a little bit. That should be it. Next step is to put this one in. Should just click. Yeah. So click, and that's it. Just like that, we have a retractable cover that looks like this. So you just push it, so much easier. When you close the trunk, it's still good privacy, you don't see anything. And also this is how it looks from the back. I think it's super cool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what would you like to see more on this channel, and maybe what other accessories should I review or install in my car. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.